Oh, hi there. Welcome to Castle of Legends. Just wanted to share an unboxing video of my digital analog converter that I picked up from Analogue. It actually just arrived this week, so shooting this video, I literally just got it. Actually, probably the day before I shot this video. So anyway, without further ado, I just wanted to share it with you guys. I'm going to start putting a little bit more some of my retro hardware and games on the channel. So I did have another channel that I was managing, but it wasn't really going the way I wanted it to. So I didn't really put too much content on there. But I do actually have some interesting CRT displays and some other displays that this could be good. So I picked it up. I pre-ordered it in 2019, and yeah, it just arrived now. So I wasn't in a super rush for it by any means, but I did already have the Mega SG and the Super NT from Analogue, and I do plan on ordering their little handheld that's going to be coming out soon. But anyways, just to kind of go over the ports, you got you've got your your HD15 connector. Our two RCAs, micro USB, and of course the HDMI input, so that you can connect your your modern FPGA consoles that Analogue has made, and hook that up to a CRT display, or if you have a PVM or even a BVM as well. I actually have a high quality, I think it's the FW900 CRT, and then I've got one of the 20-inch Sony BVMs, and also a JVC 19-inch PVM type of display as well. So anyway, now what I'm going to do is shoot some content using those monitors. But anyway, thank you for stopping by. Just kind of wanted to share this unboxing with you guys as one of my first retro-related pieces of content. Thanks.